Hello everybody, this is Fagun Shah from Integration Lab. Today we are going to see a video where we get the XLS files from email attachment on Pabbly Connect email parser, and we want to transfer that data to our Airtable base. Okay, so I have this Airtable base and I will delete the existing records. Okay, so right now this is empty, and the thing is, many times people get regular reports and things in the same format. Remember, the exact same format, the file format stays the same, something like this. So this is the sample file format I have chosen, but yeah, you can see that this structure should stay the same every time. Okay, only then this automation will work. Now, in order to start with this automation, first you need to create a particular sample file in your Google Drive. Okay, since Pabbly Connect cannot directly read from your file, we need to use Google Drive workaround for this thing. Okay, so just create a Google Sheet file, empty Google Sheet file called email attachment to JSON template. You can name it whatever you want, it doesn't matter. Okay, and we are going to basically then move to Pabbly Connect workflows thing. So here you can see we have Pabbly Connect email parser. If you don't know how to set up the email parser, then please look a video on their channel. I am not going to go that much deep in this video. Okay, but here you can see I have already captured the attachment. Okay, now the first step after the trigger will be copy the file. Now which file we are copying? We are copying this file. Okay, we are making a copy of this file. Why? Because ultimately we also want to save all the attachments as a file inside our Google Drive folder. Okay, so I am copying the file instead of directly overwriting this file, but you can overwrite it as well if you don't want to keep a extra copy. Okay, after doing that, we are using a Google Drive replace a file action. Now this file ID is the ID which we got in the response of this copy a file action, and we are going to map it here. Replace with the URL will be the actual attachment URL. Okay, and for now I am naming the file in a Indian time zone with date and time. Okay, and leave the file extension blank, that is important. And then I am using Google Sheet action called list all the sheets. So what happens is, whenever like I copy this file and replace it, let me open this, it every time it generates this ID. So this ID will be new every time, and also this ID, the tab ID will be unique as well. Okay, so we need to get that tab ID. We already got the workbook ID, but we need to get that tab ID. Okay, so for that we are using this list sheet section, and after that we are going to use get row action. Now we already know what are the columns going to be, so we are passing the range as A2 to F, which will basically bring everything from second row to the last row. Okay, now see, I have turned off the simple response because I want the response in the array format, so I can use it inside the iterator and pass it to another application. Okay, so basically ultimate goal is to read the XLS file and convert it to JSON, and then send it to any other application as you want using iterator. Okay, now we have used the iterator, and iterator basically gives us the first item of the array which we got from this here. Okay, and then we run a 5-second of delay using this simple JavaScript code, and then we pass that data to Airtable. Okay, now I have already forwarded one email in the past, but let me forward one more email to just show you how it is going to work. Okay, so I am going to click on send here. We need to wait for a few minutes. Let me close this file. You can see my Airtable base is currently totally empty. Okay, but Pabbly Connect workflow should start filling it out very soon. So let me refresh this. Okay, so you can see 256 XLS file is now available, and if we open that, you can see this data. Now one question you might have is, why not we just upload this file directly in the Google Drive and pick up the data from there? Somehow that method doesn't work. That's why we are using this replacing file method. Okay, now it has started pushing data to Airtable. You can see every 5 seconds it is sending one row inside the Airtable. Okay, so yeah, basically this is how you do the reading from .xls file from your email attachment, pick up that data as a JSON using Google Drive replace file method, and get row action of Google Sheet, and then you can send it to wherever you want. Okay, to any application you want using any of other actions available inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, don't forget to like the video if it helped you, and don't forget to subscribe as well. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.